Hey friends, Dave here with Transfer Express, and today we're going to be looking at the incredible print capabilities of direct-to-film transfers, specifically our UltraColor Max direct-to-film heat transfers from Transfer Express. Now these full-color, digitally printed transfers are available in any quantity with no minimums. That's right, no minimums. Order one or many. Now these feature a sharp edge with no clear outline, with the low application temperature and a hot peel. So it makes them a great solution for printing on almost any type of fabric, from cotton, polyester, 50/50s, tri-blend, spandex, lycra, and as a bonus, they even work on more too. So are you ready to take UltraColor to the max? Oh, let's get to it. If you are new to Transfer Express, we are the world's largest supplier of custom screen printed and digital heat transfers, heat presses, free customizable designs, wholesale apparel, and expert advice to help grow your t-shirt business. If you haven't already, subscribe. We're kicking out new videos like this one every single week. For apparel decorators, having one transfer to print on a variety of fabrics is incredibly powerful, giving businesses of all sizes the ability to print any ink color, gradients, or photos in pretty much any quantity. Now, printing on apparel like with t-shirts here is just an absolute breeze. Effortless and efficient application made possible by UltraColor Max and the technology of direct-to-film transfers. Now, one thing that truly makes it possible to print on all of these different fabrics is the low temperature application at just 290 degrees. Now, that is below the heat-sensitive threshold for many synthetic fibers. Now, this makes decorating everything from headwear to bags and accessories an absolute breeze. So let's take a look at a few examples here on headwear, where we're able to achieve a super fine detail of this simulated embroidered look with all of these highlights and shadows, all on a polyester foam front trucker cap. Easy to decorate and looks absolutely fantastic. These all just apply in 15 seconds. Now for printing on bags, if it could fit under a heat press, you could print it, just like this Port Authority commuter briefcase with the 100% polyester shell. Now, tote bags, as we're talking about bags, are no problem too. Of course, with the durable and versatile cotton base fabric here, I love how you could see the texture of the fabric in the print without compromising on opacity or print durability. A real deal, high quality print. Of course, you could also decorate on shoes, slides, slippers, and sandals. And they look absolutely incredible. But all of this is made incredibly easy with the interchangeable shoe platen here for Hotronix presses. Makes it just so super easy to slide a shoe on that on any Hotronix heat press, and now you have that limited area to print on the side of shoes, or just like these slides or even slippers. Now these slides are a synthetic EVA material, which is actually a flexible, kind of rubbery thermoplastic. But because we're under that heat sensitivity threshold, we could decorate on them no problem. Now, sleep masks, here made from silk or synthetic fibers like rayon, require those temperatures below 300 degrees and are able to be easily decorated with your heat press. Now, printing on those regular fabrics, the 50/50s, even the tri-blends, is absolutely fantastic. But what is really cool is having the ability to print on synthetic fibers like spandex, lycra, and elastane. Being able to put this decoration on them and have them move with the garment and wash great is just a huge benefit when we're talking about direct-to-film transfers. Now, coasters here, made from cork, are decorated very nicely, allowing for customization and easy add-on sales for any t-shirt business with Etsy stores, say, or even exhibitors at craft fairs and vendor shows. Really, really cool and really easy to decorate for a very low cost. Now, phone accessories here, like these mobile wallets or credit card holders, ID holders, are made specifically for sublimation with a polyester coated faux leather. But UltraColor Max adheres to them absolutely no problem. No need for sublimation printers, papers, or inks. Now, personal accessories are simple too. With just one press, we were able to decorate and customize this polyester blend tie. All, again, with just a heat press. Now, almost all heat transfers here allow for decoration on paper or materials like cardboard, and UltraColor Max is absolutely no different. You could easily brand your customers' boxes for an added touch or add a beautiful branded experience to bundled kits, just like the one that we put together here. Now, we actually made this entire kit with UltraColor Max in a video, and we'll link that one right here and down in the description below. Now, I also want to mention how great UltraColor Max works on wood. It's perfect for gifts, displays, and branding, as long as you could get even pressure over the entire surface and it fits under your heat press. UltraColor Max direct-to-film transfers are going to print on it too. You may need to play around with it a little bit depending on the specific substrates, but as long as you're not throwing them through the washing machine, they're gonna look great. And as you can see with a coat of poly over top of it too, it looks stunning. Now you can see now, the sky is almost the limit of what you could put UltraColor Max on. Now we can't actually fit the sky in the heat press, it's a little big, but it's just incredible to have this level of versatility with just one heat transfer. From promotional items to actual wearable apparel, UltraColor Max can do it all. But as always, be sure you're subscribed here to our Transfer Express YouTube page to stay up to date on all of the t-shirt business tips, tricks, and inspiration that we're dropping every single week. But until next time, I'm Dave. Happy pressing.